This right here is Ballinger Creek Pike in southern Frederick County, Maryland today.
Road in southern.
And here I am in the same spot in 2010.
Here's the end of the road.
I think of a day that I hope never happens again.
So we wound up stuck out at the end of Olin and 85.
Meet volunteer firefighters Sue Johnson and Mike Smallwood.
I wasn't happy. It was not fun.
Looking back at their pictures of the nor'easter blizzard of 2010 in southern Frederick County, Maryland.
I remember cold, and I remember thinking the day was never going to end.
That's because these rescuers from the Carroll Manor Volunteer Fire Company in Adamstown, Maryland, ended up needing rescue themselves.
I was in the back seat of this truck with 4 other people.
We were unable to see the roadway and just veered off enough where we got off road, and that was the end of it. We all piled back in the truck, and then we sat.
A farmer rescued Mike and his crew 7 long, dark hours later. Some motorists and truckers waited a lot longer than that.
I had to pass people, and I couldn't help rescue them.
In 2010, Sue used a backhoe to get to this stranded fire truck.
Drifts on the door on this were like
Yeah,
up to here. My appeal to people would be to just stay home and truly only travel if it's a life or death emergency.
So here's their advice about snowstorm forecasts.
Having blankets, having a shovel, having an emergency supply of water, and I also think having communication devices. Your cell phone with a power bank. Communication is going to be your key, your lifeline to safety.
It's a holiday weekend. Enjoy it. Stay home.
We're understaffed right now because of how many operational personnel are either in quarantine or have COVID. So you may not have someone come to your rescue.
Sue and Mike stand ready to do it all again. But this time, that truck Mike rode in back in 2010 has a bunch of blankets and other cold weather supplies just in case. In Frederick County, Maryland, Scott Broom, WUSA 9.